Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about Metamask. Metamask is a decentralized wallet that we use to store our crypto. So how we'll start, we will simply write Metamask extension over here as I wrote it in Chrome browser, and you will write it in whatever browser you're using, and it will show up like this, and we will see Metamask right on the top. We will click on it, the Metamask, and we will have this page of extensions. And as it is a Chrome extension, we also have its application to use in mobile, but we will use Metamask extension here to add to Chrome. After adding to Chrome, it will ask us whatever it requires. There are a few things that it asks our permissions. This is not too much. You just read it here, and we will add extension. After clicking on add extension, it will start downloading down here. Its size is about 18 MBs. It's downloading, and it will open automatically, and add the extension right here, and you will can find it here. Okay, so it will not require so much things. It's very simple. They've given their own intro video from Metamask. You can watch this video to understand what is this. You can read whatever is here. Our downloading is now complete, and the extension is right here. We can click on this and symbol and click on Metamask. It will open up. So currently it's opening the first page automatically, but it can it double opening due to we have already clicked there, and it was the first was opening automatically. So we will click on get started. There are a few conditions that they talk about. We will read it. What is this? And I will explain to you. Never sell data for profit ever. They never collect IP, complete IP. They never collect keys, addresses, transaction, balances. It's written over here. You can read all these three things. Okay. And what they do, always allow you to opt out via settings. We can remove it here from Chrome. And make it anonymous. Send anonymized click and page view events. So the clicks or whatever you do is anonymous. Clicking on next, we will find import wallet and create a wallet option. If you already have a wallet and you want to log in here, you can click on import wallet. When you click on import wallet, another page will pop up, and if you go for create wallet, you will create a new one. We are going to import, and here will be the page where you will write your 12-digit recovery phrase and a password to log in on this specific device. But now we are going to create a new wallet. Create wallet, and it will ask for a password that we will use to log in on this page only, which we are using right now. Okay, so you can write whatever password you like. It don't have to be so complicated. You can write a simple one as well, because your main thing is the recovery key that will come on the next page. Okay, so write the password, confirm the password, agree to the terms of use, and go create. After clicking on the create option, you will find this page. Let it show pop up, in which they are giving the secure wallet intro, and then you will have this one. Clicking on this page, it will reveal your recovery key that you have to save, because it will be used next time to log into your account and to do whatever you want. And this key is everything. I will suggest you write it on a paper, write it somewhere you can keep safe, write in your diary or whatever. It have to be safe, because if you lose this key, you will lose everything inside it. So I will use MS Office. I will create a new file here, and I will copy the key from here and paste it on that page. I'm revealing it because it's not my personal wallet, it's just for a demo, so I'm revealing the key. Open the key and log in and paste it here. Okay, key is not really a thing to be lost. It have to be safe, it have to be secure. So you have saved it here. You can write it on your copy as well, and if you don't even okay with this, you can secure it more. You can write it is somewhere more secure, where you never forget, where you never lost it, because the key is lost, your assets are lost. Okay, now click on next. It will ask you to write your key according to whatever you sorry, in the sequence that you saved there, you will have to write it accordingly. Okay, After writing your recovery key, you can move forward here. Congratulations, your wallet is created, all done. You can now start using it. It's using Ethereum mainnet, but you can add other networks as well. It have Arbitrium, it's have Aurora chain, Avalanche, BNB, Phantom, Opera, whatever. You can use all these chains here, but the Ethereum is the main thing. It is from Ethereum, and if you import, it's a Ethereum wallet, so you can import all Ethereum coins here in this address. But the thing is, how to put your coins here, how to withdraw them from here, everything, it will be another video and I will explain it there. For currently it was all about creating the account, so we are done with this. We'll be right back with another video in which we explain more. Coming to the key, I repeat, save this key in my if it's me, I am saving it in MS Office, I'm saving it in my diary, I'm saving it in my paper, or I can take pictures of it and keep them safe. It's all over. Here's your wallet. Keep enjoying it. Goodbye.